GLYC stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at GlycoMimetics stock. It's 31 cents. It's 12% down for the day. Like, generally speaking, seems like a pretty interesting shift, and honestly, this is like looking quite bullish for me. I've spent 5 figures on mentors. I've called out thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel for free, and all of it has been documented. But looking at GLYC, man, like, unless... Let me come here. Yeah, this is looking quite juicy. Like, without a doubt, saw this first shift. This is like the first signs of this wanting to go up. So even though it pulled down, it's totally fine and okay with me. As long as in this pull down I see my shift and a double break, then and only then I'm gonna take things up. If not, it's all cool, you know, it's all cool. So I will continue to keep you updated, and if the price doesn't give me this double break, then I'm just not gonna buy, like, ultimately. So normal. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.